welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marie, and it's been a while since my last video, but I am back for more content, and I am currently here in Manila. I just came from Unbox Con 2022, and I'm so excited to show you guys, unbox something for you guys na nabili ko from the conference. So here it is. This is the WARDEN Ember Edition. This is 1 out of 10, no? Na toys from the WARDEN series. So, an entity of pure cruelty, the WARDEN has set up his own corporation within the pit of despair that is Earth. So, this is made and produced by DTC Studio. So, I am so excited. Let's start unboxing. Okay, so very nice box. Oops. Very nice print. I love the packaging. As you can see here, we have their logo. Very nice. So, oops. Okay. First we have nila freebie stickers. So, my god, I love stickers, guys. I don't know if you know, but I love stickers. So, I was really happy. Oops. I got a lot of stickers from the Unbox Con this afternoon. So, next we have from the box a certificate of authenticity. So, it also has a signature of the artist. This is 8 out of 10. And finally, we have the toy itself. For a moment, ha. Oh my god, ayaw niya matanggal. Medyo mahirap. Wait lang for a moment.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, sorry na putol. Akala ko masisira ko yung toy dahil ang hirap tanggalin from this. Very secured kasi. Anyway, so this is it. This is what we bought from DTC Studios, the WARDEN Ember Edition. So very nice, well detailed, malinis ang pagka-cast, and we really liked it. And as you can see here sa sole, nakalagay yung 8 out of 10. So, proof siya na this is one of the 10 copies of this toy na ni-release nila. So, limited edition. And you can see here sa kanya suitcase yung logo ng DTC Studios na nag-produce nito. So, we really liked it. This is our very first purchase, and I hope madagdagan pa siya in the future. So, and I hope ma-inspire din kayo to buy and support local artists like them. Lalagay namin to sa studio namin or sa office namin para nakaka-inspire. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And we really had, my husband and I had a really good time sa Unbox Con 2022. So, hopefully next year, meron na naman and maka-attend pa rin kami. So, thank you so much for watching. Ingat!